बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra English book 2. Students, as you know, yesterday we have attended lesson number 1 from this book and we have started unit number 1. So can you tell me what is the topic of unit number 1? Yes, nouns. And what are nouns? Very good. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. So can you tell me which type of nouns you can see on the board? Very good. Things nouns. Nouns are the names of persons, places, things and animals. So these are things nouns which you can see on the board. I hope you have done your previous activities and you have enlisted a lot of nouns from your surroundings. Now let's start today's lesson. Okay, dear prep 6 students, or today's lesson is related to practice activity exercise A. What we are going to do? Read aloud the given nouns. Read aloud the given nouns. Okay, we are going to read the given nouns aloud together. Let's start. Baker, baker. Globe, globe. Airport, airport. Giraffe, giraffe. City, lecturer, lecturer. Clock, clock. Beer, beer. Baseball, baseball. Beach, beach. Judge, judge. And last one, cow. Very good. After reading, okay, you will read, and after reading what we are going to do, exercise B, write down the nouns under the matching category from exercise A. So which categories we are given? We are given 4 categories, as you can see: persons, things, places and animals. What we have to do? We have to check out the persons nouns from here and we will write here. We will write under this category. We will check out the things nouns and we will write here. We will check out the places nouns and we will write here, and the last one animals. So let's start discussion. Baker, ये कौन सा noun है students? Very good. It's person noun. Very good. Globe, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. Globe, you know what is the meaning of globe? Globe is a plastic or metal ball contains the map of the earth. ठीक है, पूरे वर्ल्ड का जिस पे मैप आपको नज़र आ रहा होता है किसी भी मेटल या प्लास्टिक बॉल पे, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ग्लोब. सो इट्स थिंग नाउन. ओके. एयरपोर्ट, वेरी गुड. प्लेस नाउन है जिराफ. एनिमल नाउन. सिटी, प्लेस नाउन, किसी जगह का नेम है ना, सिटी. लेक्चरर, वेरी गुड. इट्स पर्सन नाउन. क्लॉक, थिंग नाउन. बियर, वेरी गुड. एनिमल नाउन. बेसबॉल, थिंग नाउन. बीच, प्लेस नाउन. जज, पर्सन नाउन. cow, animal noun. Very good. Now we will write below the categories. Pause the video and do your work. Okay, my dear students, in this way you will find the persons, things, places and animals nouns from exercise A, and you will write here below the categories. And your writing should be neat and clean. You will do your work with lead pencil. Now turn your pages. Now we are going to do activity C, and what is the topic? Circle the nouns. Circle. Okay, circle the nouns. Let's start reading the words given here, then we will guess if the words are nouns, then we will circle. Okay. Play, play. Is it noun? Yes? No. Very good. It's not noun. Watch, watch. Yes, it's a noun. And which kind of noun? Very good. Thing noun. ये एक चीज़ का नेम है, वॉच. sheep. Very good. Animal noun. Jump. Is it noun? No, it's not noun. Lion. Very good. Animal noun. Table. Thing noun. Swim. Is it noun? ये noun है? No, it's not noun. Zoo. Yes, it's place noun. Next one. Child. Very good. Person noun. Bus. Very good. Thing noun. And the last one, sleep. Very good. It's not noun. Okay, sleep is not a noun. So अब जो nouns हमने guess किए हैं, we will circle and then we will do the next activity. Okay, my dear students, in this way we will circle the nouns as we have done the watch, sheep, lion, table, child, bus and the last one zoo. These are nouns. इसके अलावा जो भी words given है वो nouns नहीं है. As you know, nouns are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Names of persons, name of places, names of things and animals. Now let's move forward towards next activity. Okay students, exercise D we are going to do. Use the nouns from exercise C to fill in the blanks. This is exercise C. Okay, now we are going to use these words to fill the blanks. So let's start. Dash is the king of the jungle. Try to guess the answer. Very good. Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Next one. Every dash likes to play with toys. Every child. Very good. Every child likes to play with toys. Next one. I go to school by dash. By bus. I go to school by bus. A dash helps me to be on time. Very good. A watch helps me to be on time. Next one. Dash gives us wool. Sheep gives us wool. He cleaned the dash before dinner. He cleaned the table before dinner. And the last one. A visit to the dash is always exciting. A visit to the zoo is always exciting. Now we are going to solve the blanks by using lead pencil, and writing should be neat and clean. Okay my dear students, in this way you will solve the blanks, and if you are writing the blank at the start of the sentence, so first letter will be capital, ठीक है, lion L will be capital, sheep S will be capital. Okay students, and your writing should be neat and clean. You will practice the given topic as you will enlist the nouns. अपने इर्द गिर्द आपके जो भी nouns हैं आप उनकी list बनाएंगे. Plus you will learn the activities. Now let's know today's diary. Okay my dear students, it's your today's diary. Learn plus 2 page number 9 and 10 from Iqra English book 2. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.